At PIRMAX, we pride ourselves on using recycled components where we can to produce the most sustainable products possible, using recycled PET that you know as plastic bottles. We have developed a calculator to show you how many bottles and weight of PET content that go into all of our panels, in turn showing you directly how many bottles and weight of recycled PET that have gone into your project.
When you arrive on the PIRMAX Recycled Content Calculator page, you'll see a play button. By pressing play, you'll start to watch the video you're viewing now. As you move further down the page, you'll be greeted with two rectangular boxes. The one on the left, with nominal thickness in millimeters, you will see a triangle. Click the triangle to be presented with a drop-down menu. In this example, we'll be selecting 50 ml. Now go to the one on the right with meters square in project. In this example, we'll be adding 5,000 square meters. So type this in the box. Underneath, you will see the calculate button. Click on this to see your results. You will be presented with bottles per square meter, total bottles in the project, and the total weight of recycled material in the project. Thank you for using the PIRMAX Recycled Content Calculator.